Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a golf push cart, easy method. Start by unfolding the cart on level ground and locking each hinge firmly. Attach the bag with straps high and low to prevent tipping during turns. Adjust handle height for comfortable posture and grip. Test the brakes and wheel alignment with a short push. Keep essentials handy in the accessory tray for smoother play and fewer stops. Unzip pockets and organize items before placing the bag on the cart to save time between shots. Lift using knees and set the bag so the club mouths face backward to stop shafts from tangling. Fasten the top strap first, then the lower strap, and gently shake to confirm stability. Replace loose items in zipped pockets and use the umbrella holder if rain is expected, keeping everything accessible without bending too much. Walk with relaxed shoulders and bend slightly from the hips to push smoothly and avoid pain. Change hands occasionally to balance muscle use and keep pace steady between shots. Steer with gentle wrist movements and slow before tight corners to prevent tipping. When climbing, walk beside the cart and pull if needed to preserve momentum. Practice a few turns in an empty parking area to build confidence before the first tee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.